Hey, did you know that Anthropic Cloud now supports a Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint integration? In this video, I'm going to discuss how you can install the Anthropic Artificial Intelligence Cowork Microsoft Office financial plugins. Now, the first thing you're going to need is a Anthropic account and most likely some kind of a paid subscription. Once you have that or already have that, then you're going to be using two add-ons in Microsoft Excel and or PowerPoint. All right, on this page, this is from their blog. This is from cloud.com. The uniform resource locator is highlighted on screen. You could type that into the address bar of your preferred web browser, and then you could read up on this. But it says right here, in order to get started with cloud working across Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint, you will need to download the add-in for cloud in Microsoft Excel. So you open up Microsoft Excel and then download it, and then also cloud in PowerPoint. So you need an add-on for whichever Microsoft product. Now this is only for financials, so that's why now they have it, the availability in Excel and cloud. So what will happen is once you get this all working, instead of using Anthropic Cloud AI robot and type in a search and then copy and paste, this will integrate. So as you search, it will then ask you, I assume, or then it'll automatically inject that response into your workflow. All right, then you will want to then install the plugins. Now this is their GitHub page, Anthropic Uniform Resource Locator is highlighted on screen. All you have to do is type that into the address bar of your preferred web browser. You can always pause these videos and then, so it makes it easier. Alright, so you're going to want to then install plugins with Cowork. So Cowork is the agent, and then so it's going to require the financial plugins. Alright, now they do provide the code, and then you could pause the video and you can copy and paste it. And then, but here's the code. So the first one you're going to have to install is you're going to have to add the marketplace. Cloud plugin marketplace add Anthropic / financial services plugins. All right. Once that is installed successfully, then you're going to want to install the core plugin first, and that's a requirement. You have to install that. So that's cloud plugin install financial analysis at financial services plugins. Then when that installs successfully, then you're going to want to install each individual one. There's 5 total that are available. Now this is for the financial sector. So this will connect to, and I'll get to that, it'll connect to these financial networks, and it will allow you to search and then pull in that data. And whatever data that you want, it will integrate into your current workflow, right? There are 5 available plugins that work within Cowork, which is the agent. Financial analysis, investment banking, equity research, private equity, and wealth management. All right. So now you do not have to install all 5. Well, actually, I was wrong. The core one, the financial analysis, you must install that. But the other 4, I think are well, it says as needed. It adds functionality, and they're specific. So the investment banking cloud plugin install investment-banking at financial-services-plugins, and you want to enter these commands exactly as they are on screen, with the dashes, with the @ signs, with spaces where necessary. The second one would be the equity research cloud plugin install equity-research at financial-services-plugins. Then the private equity cloud plugin install private-equity at financial-services-plugins. And then the fourth one. Now these are if they're needed. right? You don't have to install them. You know what I'm saying? You might, here's a tip. You might want to just stick with what is necessary, the required one, and then maybe try one at a time. And then once you get one installed and you can test it and you see if it works out for you, then you can try the other ones or whichever ones you need. Cloud plugin install wealth-management at financial-services-plugins. Okay, so once you get those plugins installed, then it says they will activate automatically. All right, so if as long as you don't receive any error messages or no problemos, they are supposed to automatically activate, so they're ready to go. Now this is kind of bonus coverage. I have about 2 minutes. It says skills fire when relevant, and then so there is some other ways to use these plugins, and that would be with a / command, and they're available in your agent session. Now I'll just quickly go over them. /comps. So what you're going to do is the /comps, and then you're going to tell what company you want that for. It's comparable company analysis /DCF, and then the company DCF valuation model /earnings, and then the company, and then the quarter. It will post the earnings update report for the company that you specify and the quarter that you specify, and then /1-pager, and then the company. It is a one-page company profile. And again, you can use this data in Microsoft Excel and or PowerPoint. And once you get everything installed correctly, instead of having to copy and paste and blah blah, it will integrate and it will actually input what you want into your workflow, into your either your Excel spreadsheet or your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, /IC-memo, and then the project name. It will include an investment committee memo, and then /source, and then the criteria. That is for deal. I don't have a financial background, so some of this is foreign to me, but you know what I mean. All right, as far as what some of this information is, I trade stocks and ETFs, so I can kind of understand what an analysis, but in an earnings report quarterly, and then /client-review, and then you enter in the client, and it's supposed to create a client meeting preparation. Okay, so here's just the workflow of how they work. All right, this is a little bit more technical. Well, it's not technical. It doesn't get into the abstract, but I forgot to mention too. You can use your own custom plugin too, but you don't have to use theirs. Oh, and then after the fact, once you use theirs, then you can actually customize, and then you could roll it out if you have a bigger company or enterprise. It says they have the same structure, so it will have the plugin name when you install them, and then the .cloud-plugin/plugin.json. That's the manifest. That just is a JavaScript object notation file. And then the .mcp.json. MCP is an acronym that stands for Model Control Protocol, and then JSON is JavaScript object notation. It's clear text. That is the tool connections, and then the commands. That is in that folder. That is the commands that you're allowed to use. Yep, it says the / commands that you would invoke manually and then explicitly, but you're limited. Whatever / commands, you have to type them in exactly, and you know what I'm saying. And then skills, something about domain knowledge that the Anthropic Cloud draws on automatically. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but it has more information about the skills. Something about domain expertise, best practices, workflows. In order to deliver professional quality work. And then, I guess cloud will pull them in automatically with the artificial intelligence when relevant. Okay, and then the commands are they're the / commands that you trigger. They have /comps, earnings, and then I went over them. Connectors. All right, MCP. Now, here are the connectors that are centralized. Now, I'm not 100% sure. I think these are available automatically already. But each one of these, DeLuca, Morningstar, Standard & Poor's Global, FactSet, Moody's, Newswire's IREA, LSEG, PitchBook, Chronograph, and Ignite. Now they don't all. Some of them use the model control protocol, which is just a protocol that allows artificial intelligence to talk to each other. Now an API is an application programming interface. Some of those use the API. Now those would require a key. You would need a subscription most likely. I'm assuming these are all paid for. And then either, it says down here, yes, model control protocol access may require a subscription, an additional subscription, or an application programming key from the providers. All right. And then these are just starting points. And then this is getting more technical, markdown. And then after the fact, you can actually customize it. And what it does is say, yeah, you can the word fork and then rep up a repository. That means that you're taking the original repository from Anthropic that they created and then fork it out. That means you can create a customized one and it will be tailored for your business or enterprise. All right, I think I went through quite a bit. Now the license here really quickly is Apache License 2.0 and they've got a disclaimer. All right, so that is this video pertaining to how to install Anthropic Artificial Intelligence Cowork Microsoft Office financial plugins, but more specifically, succinctly, Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint. Adios!